Move on. I think Sud's looking at a bunch of names, including Kajaria Ceramics, Trent, as well as wealth managers. Perhaps some interesting notes out there. Sudarshan, morning. What's on your radar?
Good morning, Surabhi. So I'll start with UBS on Kajaria Ceramics. It has upgraded the stock to buy and target is increased to 1600 per share. And this upgrade has come after company had reported Q1 earnings and those earnings had looked very strong. So now UBS is saying that Q1 margin has expanded by 560 basis points on a sequential basis. And management is saying that there is a likelihood of further improvement in the margin going ahead. So as per UBS, market is not pricing in sustainability of improvement and considering the improvement in the margin that company has already seen and also with an expectation of improvement, market may be positively surprised. Also, uptick in demand should lead to improved operating leverage, and that's the reason UBS has increased FY 26, 27 and 28 margin estimates in the range of 17 to 19%, and also on the back of that, it has increased earnings estimates to 36% for FY 26. 25% for FY 27 and 31% for FY 28. Now there is another negative brokerage note for Trent. Today, Goldman Sachs has come out with a note and it has downgraded the stock to neutral and target has been cut to rupees 5,500 from rupees 6,970 per share. Also, it has cut FY 26-28 sales and EPS estimates in the range of 5 to 9% and 8 to 13% respectively. Now, what is the thesis? So, GS is saying that earlier thesis was Zudio was supposed to gain the market share and market share gain was up to 5% of April market in India and that expectation was of by FY 35. But in FY 25, increase was just of 1.5%. Now, GS believes that pace of market share gains will likely be slower than earlier expected. Also, it believes that stock is likely to trade in a range-bound mode, or also it's likely to trade around current levels. Now, third note is Bernstein on wealth managers. It has initiated coverage with outperform on Novama, and target here is 9,790. Initiated coverage on 361 with outperform call and target is 1410. Also initiated coverage with market perform on Anand Rathi and target is 2580 per share. And main thesis for this is it believes that rising wealth of India's uber rich provides pathway for a multi-year secular scale-up opportunity for these organized wealth manager company, and that's the reason it's positive.
No, absolutely. Thanks very much, Sud. Keep an eye out on those names as we begin trade this morning. Just want to make a quick mention of a few stocks before we go on.